quality education. Ann Musungu, KTN, Nairobi.
Away from education matters, the united opposition is demanding that Parliament halt President William Ruto's securitization financing model, terming it unconstitutional.
The leaders argue that the financing model is being done without parliamentary approval.
The leaders claim that introduction of special purpose vehicles in the securitization approach is meant to conceal government's criminal operations.
The leaders have also accused the government of allowing the importation of sugar declared unfit for human consumption at its port of origin.
KTN's political affairs reporter Daniel Kariuki details.
The new approach of a securitization financing model that the government has announced is a topic that has left President William Ruto's government on the receiving end. Days after the Standard newspaper reported a warning by experts against borrowing based on taxes to be collected was akin to playing with fire, the opposition is now raising concerns that future generations will be forced to shoulder a huge loan burden.
To conceal their criminal operations, they have created murky financial vehicles called special purpose vehicles. These are run by faceless technocrats and unaccountable corporations.
Opposition is accusing President William Ruto's administration of borrowing without the approval of the National Assembly.
They are now scrutinizing future taxes, a criminal and yes, unconstitutional move.
The ongoing 47.7 billion shillings bond issued to fund the construction of the Talanta Sports Stadium and planned borrowing of up to 175 billion shillings against part of the fuel levy has left the government on the spot.
It is not only a seminally crude betrayal of public trust, but also a direct violation of the Public Finance Act. The behind closed doors is a reckless scheme to sell off Kenya's future.
As the united opposition, we will not be silent as our country is auctioned. We will not bow down to intimidation.
With the appetite for borrowing, the opposition now claims the Kenya Kwanza regime, led by President William Ruto, has mortgaged the country, even as focus shift to the public debt. And it is not only on loans. The opposition has accused the government of allowing importation of 25,000 metric tons of bad sugar.
Yet, it was condemned as unfit for human consumption in its country of origin. We demand that these consignments already earmarked as publicly condemned be earmarked as publicly condemned and destroyed immediately.
This coming at a time the government, under the recommendation of Agriculture CS Mutahi Kagwe, has authorized the duty-free importation of 500,000 tons milled rice to alleviate a national rice shortage and stabilize prices.
This regime has imported tons and tons of rice as we speak. So these are some of the matters we are saying why this must be a one-term presidency.
Kabla hamjaleta mchele kutoka nje, tafadhali store zetu za Mwea zimejaa mchele. Mungechukua hiyo mchele ambayo iko kwa store, alafu ndio sasa tuende maneno ya kuongezea mchele kutoka nje, si ndio?
Some things does not add up. When we see the free importation of rice coming to this country, whereas we have our farmers who have toiled, ambayo tuko na excess rice in Mwea and other parts of the country.
Daniel Kariuki, KTN, Nairobi.
To the corridors of justice now, where former